see the second question. Prove that cos 20 degree into cos 40 degree into cos 80 degree is equal to 1 by 8. Okay. First consider the LHS. LHS is cos 20 degree into cos 40 degree into cos 80 degree. Okay. Here consider the first two terms, that is cos 20 degree into 40 degree. If you observe 20 plus 40, you will get 60. Okay. For that reason, here I am writing it as cos 20 degree into cos 40 degree, treating it as one group, and write the remaining sum, that is cos 80 degree. Okay. See, observe the term inside the bracket. You can observe it's in the form cos A into cos B. What's the formula cos A into cos B? 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B, okay, plus cos of A minus B. Check the transformation formula list. Okay. Now see, here you can write it as 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B, that is cos of 20 degree plus 40 degree plus cos of A minus B, that is cos of 20 degree minus 40 degree. Okay. Now very important observation is, see, outside cos 80 degrees there, right? Okay. Now simplify this one. It's equal to, see, 1 by 2 into cos 20 plus 40 degree, cos 60 degree. Okay. Plus this 1 by 2 into cos of 20 minus 40 degree. It's equal to cos of minus 20 degree. Okay. Outside, see, cos 80 degrees there. It's equal to 1 by 2 into cos 60 degree into outside cos 80 degree. Clear? Plus 1 by 2 into cos 20 degree into cos 80 degree. Here observe cos of minus 20 degrees there. Cos of minus 20 degree is equal to plus cos 20 degree, right? What's the formula? Cos of minus theta is equal to plus cos theta. Okay. Now see, it's equal to 1 by 2 into cos 60 degree value. It's equal to 1 by 2 into cos 80 degree plus 1 by 2, keeping it in outside. Observe, again this is in the form cos A into cos B. What's the formula cos A into cos B? A into cos B, it's equal to 1 by 2 into cos of A plus B, okay, plus cos of A minus B. Apply the same formula here also. So you will get 1 by 2 into, okay, cos of A plus B, that is cos of 20 degree plus 80 degree plus cos of A minus B, that is cos of 20 degree minus 80 degree. Okay. Now again simplify this one. It's equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 into cos 80 degree plus 1 by 2 into, keeping it in outside, 1 by 2 into cos of 20 degree plus 80 degree, 100 degree. Okay. Plus again see here 1 by 2 is there, right? 1 by 2 into cos of 20 degree minus 80 degree, cos of minus 60 degree you will get. Okay. In the next step, see, it's equal to 1 by 4 into cos 80 degree plus 1 by 2 into 1 by 2. First multiply here. 1 by 4 into cos of 100 degree. In this type of problems, every time you are writing 100 degree as 180 degree minus 80 degree. Okay. Then see, because 180 degree minus 80 degree equal to 100 only. Okay. But here outside cos is there. Next see, plus then here see 1 by 2 into this 1 by 2. It's equal to again 1 by 4 into cos of minus 60 degree plus cos 60 degree. Again the same formula, cos of minus theta is equal to plus cos theta. Okay. It's equal to 1 by 4 into cos 80 degree plus 1 by 4 into cos of 180 minus theta. 1 by 4 into cos of 180 minus theta. What's the formula? Cos of 180 minus theta? Allied angle, it's equal to minus cos theta, right? because 180 minus theta, it's in the second quadrant. Okay, here see 180 minus theta, that belongs to second quadrant. In the second quadrant, cos function is negative. Therefore, cos of 180 minus theta, it's equal to minus cos theta. Similarly, cos of 180 minus 80, it's equal to minus cos 80 degree. Okay, then plus 1 by 4 into cos 60 degree value is equal to 1 by 2. Standard angle value, right? Cos 60 degrees 1 by 2. It's equal to plus 1 by 4 into cos 80 degree minus 1 by 4 into cos 80 degree get cancels. Then what's the remaining sum? That is 1 by 4 into 1 by 2. It's equal to 1 by 8. This is nothing but RHS of the given problem. Clear? See the next question. Prove that sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c is equal to 2 plus 2 cos a cos b cos c. Okay. Consider the LHS sin square a plus sin square b plus sin square c. This is nothing but LHS. Okay. What's the formula for sin square a? See, we have the formula cos 2a is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. In this formula, you will get sin square a. Rearrange this one. Okay. See, I'm shifting this 2 sin square a to LHS. That will become plus 2 sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a. Okay. We want sin square a only, right? Sin square a is equal to 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2. Okay, this is a formula for sin square a. Clear? This is the standard formula, right? Cos 2a equal to 1 minus 2 sin square a. Third formula for cos 2a. If you rearrange this formula, you will get sin square a. That is 1 minus cos 2a, angle 2a divided by 2. Okay, so substitute here. Sin square a is nothing but 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2. Okay, plus sin square b. Instead of angle a, here angle b is there. If angle a, formula is 1 minus cos 2a divided by 2. Here you can observe. Then what happens if angle is b? That is 1 minus cos 2b divided by 2 plus similarly sin square c. By this formula, you can write it as 1 minus cos 2c divided by 2. Okay, using this formula. Instead of angle A, you are using in the second sum as angle B, and the third sum you are using angle C. Okay, it's equal to C. Observe the denominator 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 2. Take that denominator outside. You will get 1 by 2 into 1 minus cos 2a. Okay, here plus 1 minus cos 2b. Okay, plus 1 minus cos 2c. 1 by 2 into, see, plus 1, here also plus 1, here also plus 1, right? You will get 3 minus, okay, cos 2a minus cos 2b minus cos 2c. Clear? Okay. In the next step, see, it's equal to 1 by 2 into 3 minus, keeping minus sign outside, cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c. Okay, outside 1 by 2 is there. Therefore, this bracket, it's equal to 1 by 2 into 3 minus, what is the value of cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c? Check the previous problems. There you wrote cos 2a plus cos 2b plus cos 2c is equal to minus 1 minus 4 cos a into cos b into cos c. Substitute here minus 1 minus 4 cos a into cos b into cos c. Okay, just substituting this formula here. In the next step, see, it's equal to 1 by 2 into, substitute, simplify this one, 3 minus into minus plus 1. Clear? 3 plus 1. Then again this minus into minus plus 4 cos A cos B cos C. Okay, this is nothing but 1 by 2 into 3 plus 1 is 4 plus 4 cos A cos B cos C. Okay, now see, it's equal to, take this 4 outside, 4 by 2 into, okay, 1 plus cos A into cos B into cos C. Clear? If you multiply this, 4 into 1 is 4. Then 4 into cos A into cos B into cos C, you will get 4 cos A cos B cos C, right? It's equal to 2 ones are 2 twos are 2 into 1 plus cos A into cos B into cos C. If you take 2 inside, 2 into 1 is equal to 2 plus 2 into cos A into cos B into cos C, you will get 2 cos A into cos B into cos C. This is nothing but RHS of the given problem. Clear? See the next question. Prove that cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C equal to 1 minus 2 cos A cos B into cos C. Okay, you need to prove the RHS. For that reason, first consider the LHS, that is cos square A plus cos square B plus cos square C. Okay, LHS is there. Okay, now again see, similar to the previous problem, we have the formula cos 2A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. In the previous problem, I have taken cos 2A in terms of sine, because left hand side sine function is given. But here observe the left hand side, everywhere cos function is there, right? So you need to take cos 2A in terms of cos function only. That's the second formula, right? Cos 2A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. We want cos square A only. So cos 2A, take this minus 1 to LHS. That will become plus 1 equal to 2 cos square A. Okay, we want cos square A only. So cos 2A plus 1 divided by, you are shifting 2 to LHS. Okay, so into becomes divided by 2 equal to cos square A. Therefore, rewrite it as cos square A equal to 1 plus cos 2A divided by 2. Now apply cos square A. Cos square A is nothing but 1 plus cos 2A divided by 2. Okay, plus cos square B can be written as 1 plus cos 2B divided by 2. Okay, plus cos square C. Cos square C is nothing but 1 plus cos 2C divided by 2. Instead of angle A, here you are taking angle B, here you are taking angle C. Formula remains same. Okay, it's equal to, again taking 1 by 2 outside. Okay, see, observe the denominator of 3 terms common, right? That is 1 by 2, right? Take that term outside. 1 by 2 into, here remaining term is 1 plus cos 2A plus here the remaining term is 1 plus cos 2B, and here the remaining term 1 plus cos 2C. Okay, now observe, plus 1, here also plus 1, and here also plus 1. Okay, it's equal to 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 plus 1, that is equal to 3, plus what's the remaining sum, cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C. Okay, now observe the term inside the bracket, that is cos 2A plus cos 2B plus cos 2C. What's the value? It's equal to minus 1 minus 4 cos A into cos B into cos C. In the previous problem also you used the same formula and we solved this problem also, right? Substitute here. So here you will get 1 by 2 into 3 plus remaining terms are minus 1 minus 4 cos A into cos B into cos C. Okay, now simplify this one. It's equal to 1 by 2 outside, you will get 3 minus 1 minus 4 cos A into cos B into cos C. Okay. In the next step, see, it's equal to 1 by 2 into 3 minus 1. It's equal to 2 minus remaining term is 4 cos A into cos B into cos C. Then dividing throughout by 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 2. Here you will get 1 minus 1 by 2 into 4. You will get 2. Remaining sum is cos A into cos B into cos C. Clear? This is nothing but RHS of the given problem. See, the next question is A plus B plus C equal to 180 degree. Then prove that tan A plus tan B plus tan C equal to tan A into tan B into tan C. Okay. Consider the given condition A plus B plus C is equal to 180 degree. That implies A, B and C are interior angles of a triangle. Okay. Then rearrange this one. Then you will get A plus B is equal to 180 degree minus C. Okay. In the next step, take tan on both sides. Tan of A plus B is equal to tan of 180 minus C. Okay. Then tan of A plus B is equal to tan of 180 minus C is there. Okay. Here 180 degree. Observe the quadrants 180 minus theta, second quadrant. In the second quadrant, tan theta is negative. Okay. For that reason, tan of 180 minus C, it's equal to minus tan C. Okay. Now consider the formula tan of A plus B. Tan of A plus B is equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. See the left hand side, tan of A plus B is there. We have the value for tan of A plus B. Tan of A plus B is equal to minus tan C. Substitute there. Here it is equal to minus tan C. The reason is tan of A plus B is equal to minus tan C equal to tan A plus tan B divided by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Now cross multiply. This implies minus tan C into 1 minus tan A into tan B is equal to right hand side is tan A plus tan B. Now multiply minus tan C into 1, it's equal to minus tan C minus into minus plus tan A into tan B into tan C is equal to right hand side tan A plus tan B. It implies tan A into tan B into tan C is there. Shift minus tan C to RHS, that will become tan A plus tan B. Okay, minus tan C will become plus tan. So you will get tan A plus tan B plus tan C is equal to tan A into tan B into tan C.